Hi everybody, I hope everybody's having a good day today. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be making a layered bunny card. I have found this on Design Space, and I am not affiliated with Cricut, but I found this on there and I thought it was cool, so I thought I'd make it. And I'm going to bring you guys along for the ride. So this one calls for white. It's called for a dark gray, a light gray, and a pattern piece. But I am going on a purple scheme here with it. So I've got the light purple, the dark purple, and I got a floral, and I've got white. So I'm going to switch it up a little bit. And that's okay to do if you want to change the colors. So I already have it set up on my computer. And we are going to connect. And we are going to change to cardstock. It also calls for the Cuttlebug to use. I'm not going to use that. It's just used to emboss your your paper, to make a different background for it. But I decided not to do that one for this card. But you're more than welcome to do it. You can find it under Design Space and make it however you would like. So I hope everybody's having a good day. The sun's out here in Ohio. It's sunshiny out. It's supposed to be 50, which is wonderful. Tomorrow it's supposed to be 60. So hopefully those sap buckets will be coming out pretty soon and we'll be able to get some sap. Alrighty. So there's our bunny. If I can get it in the frame. There she is. Let's take her off. Put her right there. Then we are going to use our dark purple. And we are going to change to medium cardstock. And go on through. So this is an Easter bunny for Easter. I know it's a little bit away for Easter, but figured we'd try it out, see how it goes. It's never too late to start stocking up on stuff and making things for the holidays. Just measuring our mat and making sure we have enough. And then it's going to start. So if you've done some Easter projects so far, tell me what you've done on the bottom, if you liked it or not. If you're starting Easter stuff, if you're not doing Easter projects. Okay. Now this is going to be printing our envelope, and I am using an 8.5 by 11 piece of paper, and white for our envelope. It's medium cardstock. Oh, we gotta put our scoring wheel in. Let's see here. I'm going to use the scoring stylus. Stick that in there. I'm going to press play. Now a lot of these projects call for the wheel, for the scoring wheel. I just used my stylus does the same job. And it came with my machine. Maybe one of my next best investments is to get the wheel. There it's printing. Alrighty. Go ahead and take the envelope off. Just like that. There it is. Alright, so the next thing we are going to need is our floral print. This around. Stick it in. Change our to cardstock, our scoring stylus, hit apply, send it through. And then after this, we got one more cut. I'm gonna hit play. Hit the play button. And this is going to be the outside of our card. And there it goes. Almost done. And there it is. It's outside. Alrighty. Now the last thing we are going to need is our white. Now my colors are a little bit off on this. I'm doing different colors for different things. But you could stick to the main grays if you would like. That's your choice. And we're just going to need our blade. I'm going to feed it through. There it goes. So if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please subscribe. We are at 35 subscribers. We're trying to get up to 100 and surpass that. But right now we're at 35, so keep on subscribing. Keep on hitting that thumbs up button on the bottom. And we thank you very much. Alrighty, feed it out. Alrighty, so we got all our pieces printed out. Now it did say on the directions to use, on the last piece we printed out, which is right here, you can add some texture to this by using your press, so like your Cuttlebug or your Sizzix or whatever you have that makes a print on this. But I'm not going to do that. I'm going to just leave it plain. So this is what you should have so far. So you should have the card, the little white square, and then these are your bunny. You got the light purple one, and then I did mine dark purple. So I've got those, and then you have your envelope. Which is right here. And to put it together, you are going to need, it says adhesive for paper or adhesive foam dots. Either one is fine. I am going to start with by folding our card. Just like that. And then this goes on the on the inside. And I'm just gonna do some of this tape. Probably glue would work too, if you have glue. Okay. These off. One more side to go. And then you are going to lay this right on top. And I'm going to come in with some of my glue and kind of glue this down a little bit, just like that. I'm using, this is Tombow liquid glue that I'm using. Okay, that looks good. And then we are going to take our rabbit, this one right here, and I'm just going to go around our rabbit. Just like that with the glue. And you can use the adhesive dots if you would like. And then this piece will go right there. And I'm going to pull this right. Let's see, what does it look like? Just like that. So I'm going to go ahead and use my glue again. And I am just going to go around. Just put enough on it that for what I need. Stick it on. Now you can embellish these any way you would like. You can add more to it. I might add a couple rhinestones maybe to it. I don't know yet. You can add some embellishment around the inside of the card if you would like. That's up to you. So there's the card. I think it looks pretty cute with the purple. Okay, so we're going to do the envelope. So you're going to fold on the lines. I am going to take my boning knife and I am going to make sure those are down. Do the last one. Now you can do your envelope any color you would like. I'm just going to take some of my tape, run up the top part, just like that. Remove the backing off the tape. Bring it up. And then there's our envelope. It's a cute little envelope. You can put a piece of double-sided tape here. That way when the recipient gets it, you can they can close it. And this fits perfectly right inside. Right inside. Excuse me, sorry. And there is your cute little card and envelope for Easter. I want to thank you guys for joining me today, and I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Give me a thumbs up, and we will be seeing you guys later. Please hit the like button, subscribe button down below. Have a good day, guys. See you later.